Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two methods in how to solve Wi-Fi option which is missing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first method that you need to do is you need to do a network reset. How we can do such, at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match, go with append to continue. Or you can also use the keys which are by pressing Windows key and I key together that would lead you to the settings window. You just have to wait until everything's are set here. Once done, proceed directly at the left side of that and look for an option called Network and Internet. Tap to Net. And the moment you have tapped to Net here, you need to proceed with Advanced Network Settings. Click on it. Okay. And under your network settings, you need to proceed with network reset. So click on it and there you would be able to see an option where you can reset the network. So click on reset now and don't worry because this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. So basically this is harmless. This will only help you to fix the problem, which is your Wi-Fi option missing in your Windows. Okay. Your PC will be restarted the moment you will click on reset now. You just have to wait until the process or procedure would be done. And once done, check if your Wi-Fi option is now showing. However, if not, then we need to proceed to our second and last method. Our second and last method will be we need to navigate here at the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and then go with your device manager. Wait until a new window would appear, which is your device manager. Here, you need to look for network adapters. So proceed with your network adapters, click on it and click this forward arrow and it will show you all the network adapters that you have in your Windows. Proceed with the wireless and the Real Tech adapter. So proceed with the first one and then please do a right click and go with update driver. And in this window, proceed with browse my computer for drivers to locate and install a driver manually. And proceed with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Now here you need to select the available driver that is compatible to your computer and click on next and wait until it will be installed in your Windows. Once done, close this window and navigate to the second, which is Real Tech. Please do a right click again and go with Update Driver and do the same, and that is to browse my computer for drivers manually. Proceed with the second option. And here you need to try out one by one. Okay. So it will show you a list of available drivers that is compatible to your computer. Just have to try out one by one. It might take some time, but definitely it will be worth it. Just have to give up put a lot of patience on installing one by one and observe what will work for you. Okay? Once you're done, close all of the window and check if your Wi-Fi options is now appearing in your Windows. Okay? I'm sure it will be fixed. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.